Hello, my name is Wayne Giles. This video is intended to give a simple biological explanation as to how illicit substances hijack the neural pathways. I have a family member that had struggles with addiction, and I found myself harshly judging it as a character flaw. While I tried to gain a better understanding of addiction, I came to understand addiction in a whole new way. It is well worth everybody understanding this social issue. As Kelly Green notes, factors like environment and genetics do play crucial roles in addiction, but the immediate culprit is an overpowering hijack of the brain's natural functions. Substance use disorder is more than just a social health crisis. It's a deep seated battle against an invisible force that hijacks the very essence of human neurology. Our journey begins with the brain, better known as our command center. The brain is a complex network of neurons communicating through electrical impulses and chemical signals. It orchestrates our every thought, every emotion, and every action. To first understand addiction, we need to understand what is known as the brain's reward system. At the heart of our brain's reward system is dopamine. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter that is the key to our feelings of pleasure and satisfaction, whether it's the joy from a delicious meal, the pride in a job well done, or the warmth from social interaction. Dopamine reinforces these pleasurable experiences, motivating us to repeat them. This reward system is what molds our experience as we develop in life. The dopamine conditions us to continue doing that which will give us dopamine again. But what happens when the system is overwhelmed by an illicit substance? To do this, we're going to look at the neuron level in the brain. Typically, neurons are happy and healthy and they communicate well with each other. The chemical from the illicit substance have mimicked a massive surge of dopamine, creating an intense euphoria. This experience gives far more dopamine than the body could have ever done naturally. The brain's reward system, having been conditioned to repeat that which makes it feel good, naturally will have a biological drive to feel this intense euphoria again. Frequent drug use forces neurons to overproduce dopamine, stressing and damaging them, eventually diminishing their natural capacity. This means that what used to feel good naturally no longer does. This is known as tolerance. It requires users to consume more and more of the illicit substances to feel the same high, which is a dangerous cycle that we know as addiction. This dependency shifts a person's entire existence. Neurons, which were once happy and healthy, no longer function the way that they should. The brain circuits involved in stress, self control, and decision making become compromised. Actions once deemed unimaginable may now seem necessary to feed the addiction, as it is the only thing that makes them feel even a little good. The euphoria is not as good as it was in the beginning at this point, and people feel helpless and depressed. Yet within this deep despair lies a beacon of hope. Recovery is not merely just a return to normalcy, it is a profound journey of transformation. With the right support, the chains of addiction can be broken, allowing for the restoration of freedom and dignity. Quitting isn't merely a matter of willpower, however. Withdrawals can be brutal. It can cause anxiety, depression, and even physical pain, driving many back to their only source of relief. That's known as relapse. Yet understanding this chaos is the first step towards recovery. Effective treatments combine medication and behavioral therapy, reshaping habits, and restoring life. It's not just about combating a flaw, but supporting a profound transformation from within. The path to healing is paved with challenges, yet it is lined with victories of countless individuals who have reclaimed their lives from the clutches of addiction. Together, embracing compassion and understanding, we can transform recovery from possibility to reality.